on anxiety. I was looking forward to the posts on anxiety because a lot of the calls I have been receiving for my one-on-one work has been about the anxieties that have surfaced as a result of the pandemic. However, I was not surprised to see that while we recognize our anger pretty well, we are very well defended against recognizing our anxiety. Anxiety is one of our first deep feelings that traps us in different kinds of patterns of responding. And these patterns are around the fighting response, the flight or running away response, or the freezing response. No matter which kind of psychotherapeutic or somatic approaches you're working with in order to meet yourself fully, these three responses are extremely important in the way you can understand and begin to experience how you have so far dealt with difficult emotions. The more we recognize the ways in which we have previously dealt with difficult emotions, the more our capacity to actually be present improves. So for example, most of the time fear is experienced in a way that constricts our breathing, and it creates a separation, a segmentation, or some people may call it armoring, so that the difficult or the fearful experience is prevented from being experienced by our whole body. And this segmentation or armoring can become a lifelong pattern. So often we may not be aware we are experiencing fear. We may also do other things to fear, such as experience it as headaches, nausea, sometimes even very things which seem they are physiological, like acidity, irritable bowel syndrome, then different forms of restlessness which are around not being able to sleep or not being able to be peaceful. All of these could be stemming from our unresolved fears. I wanted to bring us to this peaceful place and to see how much thrashing about of the waves we internally withstand, sometimes by telling ourselves that no waves are thrashing. And I encourage every one of us to look beyond, sometimes we cover our anger with fear, fear with anger rather. So to look beyond, the emotions that are easier to sense, and to see if fear is lurking behind us and beneath those emotions.